Bangladesh has officially shown interest in the F-17 Thunder, a multi-role fighter aircraft developed jointly by Pakistan and China. This comes after a high-level Bangladeshi defense delegation visited Pakistan on January 15, 2025, led by Lieutenant General S.M. Kamrul Hassan. The delegation met with the Pakistan Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sidhu, in Islamabad to discuss strengthening military ties, joint training opportunities, and the potential procurement of the F-17. The F-17 Thunder, costing between $15 million and $25 million per unit, offers a range of advanced features such as an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, beyond visual range missile support, and precision-guided munitions. Powered by the Russian RD-93 engine, it's also easier to maintain, which makes it a great fit for Bangladesh's existing logistical infrastructure. Currently, Bangladesh operates an aging fleet of Chinese-made F-7 and Russian MiG-29 fighter jets, which are becoming increasingly obsolete. To address this, the Bangladesh Air Force is looking to modernize its fleet as part of its force's Goal 2030 initiative. This plan aims to replace older aircraft with 20 to 32 4+ generation fighter jets by 2034. The force's Goal 2030 program, which started in 2009 and was updated in 2017, outlines a strategy to modernize Bangladesh's armed forces across all branches. It prioritizes the need for multi-role combat aircraft that can meet evolving security challenges. The F-17 fits this vision with its affordability, advanced features, and ability to complement the country's defense objectives. Bangladesh's interest in the F-17 is also linked to its shifting geopolitical stance. Under the new administration of Muhammad Yunus, the country has been diversifying its defense partnerships, moving away from reliance on India and strengthening ties with both Pakistan and China. Previously, Bangladesh had considered the Chinese J-10C fighter jet, a 4.5 generation aircraft, but concerns over its maintenance and spare parts led to the re-evaluation of options. The F-17 is seen as a better choice, offering simpler logistical support and operational advantages, making it a more practical solution for Bangladesh. Bangladesh had also evaluated European fighters like the Dassault Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon. While these jets are technologically advanced, their high acquisition and operational costs exceed Bangladesh's defense budget, making the F-17 a more feasible alternative. Developed by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC, and Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation, CAC, the F-17 first entered service in 2007 with the Pakistan Air Force. Since then, it has gained interest from several countries, including Myanmar and Nigeria. Now, Bangladesh is considering the F-17 as part of its effort to modernize its air force with a more affordable and versatile solution. The F-17 is designed for a range of missions, including air-to-air combat, ground attack, and reconnaissance. The Block 3 variant, with enhancements such as improved sensor fusion and electronic warfare systems, offers further capabilities to meet modern combat requirements. While countries like Sri Lanka and Argentina have shown interest in the past, Bangladesh's ongoing evaluation of the F-17 could lead to a final deal. With its combination of advanced features, affordability, and ease of maintenance, the F-17 Thunder is emerging as a key player in the global defense market, providing a practical solution for countries looking to modernize their air forces without the high costs of more advanced platforms.